Good Monday morning, everybody. I managed to pour that coffee without spilling any of it. Getting better. Now, at this time of day, normally, this time of a holiday, normally what would happen would be at work. But we took a couple of days off just to basically recharge the batteries and have a rest because we can. So, it's going to be a restful watch box sets day while we get over the journey. Moving on. So what was that, my love?
So we're not watching the England game today.
Why? What have I done wrong?
You said that we were going to watch box sets.
Yeah, Michelle's just pointing out that I've forgotten that there's an England game on today. You know, England are going to lose to...
I don't know.
Sorry, I rephrased that. England are going to draw with...
Don't know that either.
What's your prediction?
I don't know who they're playing.
Somebody. Long suffering.
No, I'm just trying to find the...
It begins with an A.
It doesn't begin with any of the playing Tunisia.
There you go. It's got an A on the end. They write things backwards, that's why it's at the back.
And it's on at 7 o'clock.
Yeah.
It must be 2 o'clock Russia time.
Moving on. Okay guys, all we've been doing today is kind of relaxing, recuperating. But one thing, come back, 2 unboxings to do. Brilliant. So pass you over to Michelle and I shall open them. Sneaking suspicion I know what this is. Yes, I was right, it's a DVD and it's the Black Panther. So another one to add to my list. Now we never watched this one in the cinema, so I'm quite looking forward to watching that when we can fit that in and Michelle lets me watch it. Smiling at me behind the camera. And another one, I don't know what this is actually. I think I do, but oh yeah, now I know what it is. Okay, what we've done, free tea for a friend if somebody wants that. What we've done is joined a t-shirt subscription club. What's it called?
I think it'll be on the label, it'll be on the thing.
T for a T project. Well, TEE for a TEE project.
Yeah, the idea behind it is that every t-shirt that they sell, they donate one.
And there you go, that's a Star Wars one. It's alright that, isn't it? Bit confused. Elephant, AT-AT, or whatever they call them. Millennium Falcon, Starfighter, and another one of them what I can't remember the name of.
Yeah, TIE Fighters.
TIE Fighters. Yeah, so there you go. First t-shirt. How much is that?
It's not expensive, and I think it's about...
It's a few pounds a month and you get a t-shirt a
I
month.
think it's about a tenner a month, you know that?
£10 a month and...
or less than that.
And the thing is, it goes to charity as well.
Yeah, for every t-shirt they sell, they donate one to people who need t-shirts, homeless people and that sort of thing. So
yeah.
It's getting something cool and giving something back at the same time.
Yeah, good. And I get a t-shirt out of it. So with that, Michelle's just cooking tea. We're having chicken for tea. She's got roasted the chicken. And we can't, like I said, we can't be watching rubbish TV all day. Just recuperating from all the travelling, and we're going to watch the England football game in 50 minutes. So, moving on. Okay guys, it was a little bit vague about that t-shirt then. Michelle's going to read out the bump to tell you where the money's being donated to.
It says, as our amazing subscribers know, our company ethos is all about giving back in the form of our #Tea for a Tea project. It's the monthly tea club. It's the subscription box is called. And we are proud to announce that thanks to all you lovely people, our latest donation went to the Royal Manchester Children's Hospital. We managed to raise a whopping £1,254.50, which never would have been possible without you guys. This donation will go to the Winnicott Centre, home to the Royal Manchester Children's Hospital Child and Adolescent Mental Health Services. We couldn't have achieved this without you guys, so big love to each and every one of our subscribers. You the best.
Okay, so that's where it's going to now. Manchester is my hometown, or close to Manchester, so yeah, it's going close to where I came from, and it's going for children as well, which is often underfunded.
And mental health services.
Yeah,
which is always underfunded.
Yeah. Okay, moving on again. Okay guys, so it's chicken, carrots, peas and potato things for tea. And that chicken's lovely and moist. Michelle's done a real good job. Yum yum.